Hello friends! Jadoo is a very interesting subject, which makes us surprised and amazed. We see Jadoo every time, and the more we see Jadoo, the more the Jadoo fascinates us. And the magicians display their Jadoo in such a unique way that we sometimes wonder whether there is any real magic power in the world, or are they just the hands of the magician, seeing new magic, some of which are very scary, and some of which make us wonder, how did this magician actually do it? Simon Pyro is a very famous magician in Germany. The tricks of this magician are very different and unique from other magicians. This magician displays most of his magic on his iPad. He displays some tricks, such as taking an object out of the iPad and putting it back inside, which we can't even imagine. This magician also displays some tricks by using some custom-made apps, which makes the magicians more alive. But today I will tell you the secret behind those tricks. First of all, see how Simon shows a small tennis ball picture to his audience and then zooms it up to the size of a real tennis ball. Then he throws it out of the screen with his hand, and that was a real tennis ball. So how did Simon get the real tennis ball out of the iPad? For this, he first uses his specially designed app, which was created to show magic. We all know that most magicians wear jackets or coats when they show magic. So have you ever thought that this magician wears a coat? Why doesn't he wear a t-shirt? Because this coat is the real weapon of the magician to show magic. So let's see how Simon did these tricks. Actually, Simon had kept this tennis ball in his hand from the beginning, and when Simon released his hand from his iPad, the picture of the ball disappears from his iPad, and at that moment Simon cleverly pulls out the ball from his hand so that we think that the ball came out of his iPad. And he does it so quickly that we can't understand. And after a while, he throws the ball back into the iPad. That is, he throws the ball back into his jacket. Simon did this trick just like the previous trick, so that he puts a tap on an iPad. And after starting the tap, beer or milk starts pouring from it. This trick looks very strange and amazing from the front.
That the secret of this trick is hidden in Simon's jacket. There is a pipe hole in his jacket, which Simon connects with this tap. And the second end of the pipe is connected to a beer bag in his jacket, through which the beer comes out. But it looks like the beer came out of the iPad. In the second trick, he calls his friend from inside the iPad, and from there, he pours a glass of milk on his friend's head. And everyone in front of him thinks that the milk might have fallen on his friend's head through his mobile phone. The mystery behind this trick is quite intriguing. The glass that Simon used in this trick is a two-dimensional glass, which Simon custom designed to show his magic. And there is a small glass inside this glass from the front. And the milk is inside that small glass, but we can't see it from the outside and understand it. This glass is designed in such a way that when the glass is cut, the water inside the small glass comes out of the outside glass. And Simon's previous video was recorded earlier, but Simon has presented everything in such a subtle way that it seems to be true. And we get really worried when we see them. This trick can make you worry that maybe there is some supernatural power in these people. Here you can see that these people are holding a drill machine with so much power, but there is no mark on his head. It seems that his body is made of steel. Actually, this trick needs a lot of caution and a lot of intelligence. And the real secret of this magic is that the drill bit used by the magician for this magic is not an ordinary drill bit. This drill bit is designed in a very different way from the ordinary drill bit. And the head of this drill bit is not flat. The head of the drill bit is completely flat so that it does not touch the magician's body. But if he holds it very tightly with his body, it can be damaged. But we can see with a little care that the magician takes good care of this matter. If you like the video, you can share it. And if you like to watch such a mysterious, uncommon, and interesting video, then subscribe to my channel now and press the bell icon next to it. See you in the next episode. Till then, take care. Thank you.